Welcome back to my channel. You're here. I'm so excited. It's great to see you all. Welcome back to all of you that have already subscribed. If you're new, I love to see it. Thank you for subscribing. To all the new people. And today we're making fried chicken. Fried chicken. Listen, fried chicken doesn't have to be intimidating. It doesn't have to be a hard dish to make. As a matter of fact, if you got here from watching my fried flounder fish video, which has 21,000 views thanks to you guys. If you're here because of that video, refer back to it on how you can season your chicken. Threw my glasses on. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box of this video to the fried fish video. And that will show you exactly how to season up the meat. It's the same technique, only there's a difference of 2 ingredients. 1 less seasoning and 1 more for the coating. All right, but it's the same technique. So check that video out. And again, if you got here from that video, thank you and welcome. Get ready, because we're about to do this thing with this fried chicken. And it's gonna be so good, you're gonna keep making it. Y'all, I'm sorry. That chicken was so good. I didn't even film myself tasting it. It was that good. Like, we tore that chicken up. So good. Listen, comment below the video when y'all try it and let me know. Just let me know how it worked out for you. I'm telling you, this is it. This is foolproof. You're gonna keep making this chicken over and over again. Of course, you want to be healthy, and I know I've been talking about healthiness, but check this out. We didn't eat a whole bunch of carbs with this. We had a good carb, which is sweet potato fries, or you can have some fruit with it or a salad. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed it. But I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for saving this video. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for sharing. Share this with your friends and your families. Subscribe if you haven't. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I would love for you to join. I would love for you to join the Yummy Lifestyle by King family. Come on. You like cooking videos like this one? Just go to my cooking playlist. Also, I do DIY videos. I do some lifestyle videos. I'm gonna start giving you guys a little bit more beauty stuff, like nail reviews. Yes, press on nail reviews. That's for the girls. Girls, I'm gonna tell y'all the best and the worst press-on nails. Anyway, thank you for joining, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Be blessed and make every dish yummy.